This problem considered here is the third problem in this set of problems on flip-flops, and this is of the year 1998, and it's of 2 marks, and it's on flip-flops. I'll read out the problem here. In figure below, A is 1 and B is 1. The input B is now replaced by a sequence 1 0 1 0 1 0 and so on. The outputs X and Y will be, there are 4 options for the outputs X and Y, like A, B, C, D, and we have to find out which is the right option here. If we see this circuit, we observe that this problem is also based on the NAND latch, and here initially we apply the inputs A equals to 1 and B equals to 1 to both the NANDs here, and then one of the input is replaced by a sequence 1 0 1 0 1 0, and then we have to find out what will be the corresponding output here. Okay, now as usual, because the notations taken here are not conventional ones, so we'll replace them in a bracket, the conventional notation for all the terminals. Like this is a NAND latch, and it's also said to be S bar R bar latch, which is active low. So this A terminal is basically S bar terminal, this is R bar terminal, X is a Q terminal, and this is Q bar. These have been the standard terminals of a NAND latch. Okay, now we'll see when A is 1 and B is 1, what happens. When A is 1, this is 1, B is 1. See here, this is active low flip-flop, so neither A or neither B or S bar, neither S bar nor R bar, no input is low. So this will give me the output as the previous output, because there is no input is low, so it will give me the previous output. And we can assume here what is the previous output. We can assume the previous output to be, this is say 0 and this is a 1 output. So this a previous output. Now we'll see the other condition. We can see here when we apply the one input as A equals to 1, and first digit of the sequence is 1 here. So again both A and B will be 1, state will remain the same, it will not change. Okay, and the state would be the same state, like this is like a reset state. This Q is 0 and Q bar is 1. Now next is B 0 is of the sequence is applied, that is when B is 0 as per the sequence. When B is 0, this becomes 0, A is already 1, so this is set and this is reset. That means reset is active. That means this flip-flop would be reset, and resetting the flip-flop means the Q output would be 0. So this Q output is 0, then Q bar would be 1. So resetting also means it will be Q is 0 and Q is equal to 1. So the state is not changing, and even when you apply next input here, that is of the sequence, that is 1, again both inputs will be 1 here and nothing would be active. That means it will be the previous state. So here the given option here, the A option, that is fixed at 0 1 respectively, that even though the application of the sequence does not change the output is fixed at 0 and 1. This is the output here, and the sequence does not change the output. Okay, thank you.